Floba Mora, Threads of Water, Threads of Life. Floba Mora is an acronym for the major islands in East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia, where there are 13 underdeveloped regions. This province, like the others in eastern Indonesia, suffers from a deep-rooted regional inequality. This inequality issue is indicated with lower Human Development Index, higher percentage of people living in poverty, and limited fiscal capacity. In 2021, Seroja cyclone exposed how water exacerbates the regional inequality. Seroja cyclone caused harvest failure in several regencies. Meanwhile, refugees in Lembata suffer from water crisis. However, the most devastating impact was the damage of critical infrastructure. This was a setback for the progress of development. For instance, the damage of Numponi Bridge severed access to healthcare and education for residents in 5 districts. A year after Seroja, Numponi villagers risked their life by crossing the river directly. Satellite image shows that the bridge is still not rebuilt, highlighting a slow pace of post-disaster recovery. Water also interferes with regional development in another way. In recent years, Takpala village has become a hotspot for cultural tourism. Many tourists visit to learn their ancient way of life. However, this thriving local economy will be threatened by a rising sea level, which could inundate the main access from local airport to Takpala village by 2050, according to Climate Central projection. In a greater scale, sea level rise will submerge most of the tourism area in Labuan Bajo. Consequently, Bajo, as the regional engine of growth, will fail. This projection urges a climate adaptation for tourism destination. There is another way that water caused the failure of Bajo as the regional engine of growth. From the perspective of endogenous theory, human capital is a source of growth. Yet, human potential in Floba Mora is stunted by the reality that school children have to carry water several kilometers on their way to school. Even in earlier stages of life, water is correlated to high number of stunting cases that consequently lower the quality of human capital in East Nusa Tenggara. While the stunting prevalence in South Central Timor exceeded WHO threshold, there is no stunting case in Boti village. With their Wanatani agricultural system, the indigenous community produce diverse and nutritious food, so stunted children case can be avoided. The food system of Boti depends on water sustainability. Their wisdom is to maintain spring by conserving forests. However, water sustainability in Floba Mora is threatened by the increasing likelihood of extreme drought according to probable future projection. In Sumba Island, extreme drought threatens the availability of endemic plants such as Wara and Loba. The loss of natural dye tempers the authenticity of Sumba handwoven textile and affects the livelihood of Sumba women. But Floba Mora people have found effective solution for drought in bamboo cultivation that also provide new economic opportunity for local mama. The Floba Mora story reveals how water is interwoven with human life in the tapestry of space-time. It shows our intricate connection with water. It is our duty as humankind to restore our sacred bond with water.